Hello everyone. So today in my video I am going to show how to construct perpendicular bisector with the help of the compass when the point is outside the line segment. In one of my video I have already explained you how to construct perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Now here the case is what? Perpendicular bisector with the help of the compass when the point is outside the line segment, means point will be not on line segment. We'll have to draw the perpendicular when the point is outside the line segment. So for that what we are going to do, we'll draw the line segment. We'll draw the line segment of any measurement, line segment of any measurement. So this is the line segment. Okay, this is the line segment. I'll give the name here A, here B. Okay, this is the line segment, okay, of any measure. After that, as I have the heading is that only with the help of the compass. So before that I'll have to take the point. Okay, I'll have to take the point. So point I am taking outside. Here I'll take the point. Suppose this point is P. Now you can observe it carefully. This point P is outside the line segment. Now what I am going to do, I will put the still point of the compass. This is called compass. This rounder is called compass. So still point of the compass, I am going to put it on point B. I am going to put the still point of the compass on point B. Then I will take the suitable distance. I will take the suitable distance and draw the arc on the segment. I will take the suitable. You can also take the suitable distance and draw the arc on the line segment. So here one arc and here one arc. Okay, what you are going to do, you will draw two arc. You will draw two arc on the line segment. Okay, first here and the other one will be here. Now this two arc is having the intersecting point. This two arc is having the intersecting point. This is the one point and this is the another point. Now what we are going to do, this intersecting point here, again the still point of the compass will keep here on first point. Then we'll take the distance more than half. We'll take the distance more than half. Draw the arc down. Opposite side of the point. Point is here, so we are not going to draw the arc here. We are going to draw the arc opposite side. Same distance, we'll keep it on another point. Same distance, we'll keep it on another point. Okay, and we'll intersect the previous arc which we have drawn. Now this is the point. Okay, this is the point. Now from point P, we'll draw the line. Okay, we'll put arrow here and this is nothing but a perpendicular bisector. So this is the construction of perpendicular bisector with the help of the compass when the point is outside the line segment. Thank you.